Hello everyone, are you looking for a smartphone that's packed with powerful features but won't empty your wallet? If so, your search is over. Nokia is about to launch its stunning flagship killer, the Nokia Eve 5G 2025. This phone offers everything you'd expect from a premium smartphone, all at a mid-range price. In this video, we'll dive into all the leaked features, price, and launch date. So let's get started. Features of the Nokia Eve 5G. Display and design. First, let's talk about the display. The Nokia Eve 5G will feature a 6.8-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, delivering stunning quality for all your favorite movies and videos. With a 120Hz refresh rate, your scrolling and gaming experience will be incredibly smooth. To top it off, it's protected by Corning Gorilla Glass armor, and includes an in-display fingerprint sensor for added security. Camera setup. Now for the biggest highlight, the camera. The Nokia Eve 5G boasts a triple camera setup on the back, with a massive 200-megapixel main sensor. That's right, 200 megapixel. This is paired with a 50-megapixel, and a 12-megapixel sensor. For all you selfie lovers, there's a sharp 32-megapixel front camera. Performance and processor. When it comes to performance, this phone is a beast. It's powered by Qualcomm's latest and most powerful processor, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. This chipset will handle heavy gaming and multitasking without any lag. Plus, it will run on the latest Android 16 operating system, making it even faster and smoother. Massive battery. Tired of constantly charging your phone? The Nokia Eve 5G is perfect for you. It packs a huge 7800 mAh battery that will easily last all day. And when you do need to charge, the 100-watt super fast charging will get you back to 100% in a flash. Price and launch date. Now for the most important part, the price. According to reports, the estimated price for the Nokia Eve 5G could be around $500. While there's no official word on the launch date yet, we're hoping to see this phone hit the market soon.